DK from Icons, Groovin. When was the last time there was a solo that came out for DK? This has been a minute. He's grooving forever. Does anybody know in chat? No? Hold on, I'm gonna take a bite of this. Bro, drinking that water was kind of... That was a stupid ass bit. 10 out of 10. Isn't that his album? Alright. DK grooving. We out here. He's gonna make us groove, I bet. If he's gonna make me body roll, hell, I'm gonna love that even more. Alright. English captions on. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Hey, yo. We gonna groove. But I feel like I've... Damn, Bobby! Woo! Ooh! I feel like I've been in a Korea. I feel like I've been to a party like this. Ooh. Oh, this how you riz up people. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn, they are feeling themselves. Hey yo. Oh, okay, dance break. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shit. Anybody here else got fucked up till sunrise? I have. I'll answer your way. Your body moves come close. Oh shit, what you doing? She's stealing your soul? Oh, what the? Still to a horror film? Okay. Ooh. What the hell? That the English did not English. Hit me. Pour it up. Ooh. Hey. Hey, yo, homegirl. He lost his soul. Hey, homegirl just took your soul. I like the beat of this too. Does it got flute in the background? I swear I heard a flute. What the fuck was that? Oh hell nah. Y'all saw that? Oh, this is a bad night. This is you when you drink too much and you start seeing shit like this. What is happening? What is happening? Is he good? Oh, she gave the soul back? Oh. I know damn well she cold as hell. I know damn well she cold as hell. She look good, but I know damn well she cold as hell. What? Hey, it's good to see Bobby, bro. Bobby's coming back too. Ooh, pour it up. Get it. Pour it up. Hey, who's that dancer, y'all? Does anybody know the dancer? Does anybody know that dancer? Damn, first solo. Let's go.
Never forget, never forget.
Well, damn, DK. Literally groove. I don't know what kind of night that was, but damn. What the just happened? Like literally it just went from body moving and grooving to like this is like be careful who you mess with. Especially in the club. Damn, took your full ass soul, bro. That shit could take my soul too. What the hell? I think I recognize some of the dancers here too. Was that Jesus in the background? You see that, y'all? Who's this? Got nice ass hair, bro. Who you looking at, bro? Hey, man. This is pretty fire. It's pretty fire. Shout out to DK. Looks like Penguin. No, you mean what's his name? Moist Critical? Stop it. Jared Leto. Well, I hope this person never finds this video. Stop it. This is not Moist Critical. Moist Critical. I don't think he's that tall, right? I think Moist Critical is not that tall. This is Jared Leto. He's probably a model in Korea. Only he's Hapa. He looks Hapa. Alright, enough. Alright. Steve Aoki. Alright, let's go. Shout out to DK for this first solo. I can't wait to check it. Is there a mini album out right now too? I might have to check that out too. Damn.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.